Hello guys, welcome to the channel The MSN Hacker. Today I'm gonna show you how to install Parrot Security OS in VirtualBox. Just before getting into the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, before installing Parrot OS, you will need to download VirtualBox in your Windows. If you don't know how to download it and install it, I have made a video on how to download VirtualBox. Just I will drop the link in the description below. Just watch the video. To install Parrot OS, you will need at least 20 GB of free storage in your computer and about 1 GB of free RAM. Okay, first of all, you will need to download Parrot OS. I will also drop the link to download the Parrot OS in the description. Just copy the link and open it in your browser. Okay, after that this window will open. This is the download window of parrotsec. Okay, just there are different OS of Parrot. The source for Parrot Security KDE ISO. Okay, after that just click on direct download. You can also download it from torrent, but I will just download it directly. Just click on it. Okay, after that the download process will start. Okay, no need for me to download it as I have already downloaded it in my computer, so I'm gonna pause it. Okay, after that just open you install VirtualBox. So this is my VirtualBox. So before installing Parrot OS in your VirtualBox, you will need to create a VirtualBox container. To do that, just select on this option, just click on new. So it will ask for name of the operating system. I'm gonna name it as Parrot Security OS. Okay, after renaming the container, just select where you want to install the virtual machine. So I'm gonna just let it default, and in type just select Linux, and in version it's Debian 64. Okay, after that click next. So it will ask to allocate memory size. Just select it around 3 GB and click next. So it will ask you to create a new virtual hard disk. Just select second option, create a virtual hard disk, then select create. Okay, let it be default VDI format. Click next. Okay, select it to be dynamically allocated. Click next. Okay, select the size of virtual hard disk. So just set it around 20 GB. Below that it will cause error during installation, so please keep in mind to set it around 20 or more. Okay, then select on create. Okay, now our VirtualBox container is created. Just click on settings. Okay, then go to system and go to processor. So just allocate around 3 CPUs. It will reduce lags. Okay, and make your system faster. Okay, then go to storage, this option, and in storage device controller ID just select this add optical drive. Select it. Okay, after that click on add button. Okay, then go to your download location. So this is the folder where I have downloaded my Parrot security ISO file. So it's here. Just click it and open. Okay, after that just choose it. Okay, after you have added Parrot security ISO file in storage device, just click OK. Okay, after that just click on start button. Okay, click on here. It will start the installation process of Parrot OS. Okay, it will ask you to select a startup disk. Just click on here. Okay, so if you have already selected Parrot security OS, just click on it, or you can edit from a download location if you haven't edited it. Okay, I have already edited, so just select it and click on choose, then select start. Okay, just go to install. Just go to install. Select this. Okay, just select install with GTK GUI. Okay, select your language. Just select your location. I'm gonna leave it default. Okay, configure the keyboard. Let it be default. So it asks you to set up a password for root. Just select any password for root account. Okay, I'll write the password and re-enter it. Okay, the re-enter option is a little bit below, so just scroll it there and re-enter the password. Okay, then click on continue. Okay, give the name of the new user. I'm gonna name it my YouTube channel name. Just click on continue. So username for my account will be okay. Just name it hacker and click continue. So it will ask for uh, the password of new user. So just set it as and let's set a new password, then click next. Click on continue. It will ask for time zone. Okay, just select your time zone and click continue. Okay, it will ask for partition disk. Just select guided use entire disk and click continue. Okay, it will ask to select a disk partition. Just make it default and click continue. So select this option all file in one partition and click on continue. Okay, after that finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Select it and click on continue. Okay, then select now and just click continue, and in write changes to disk select S. Okay, it will write changes to our disk and then click next. Okay, then it will start installing the system. Just wait for it to complete the installation process. Okay, after that it will ask to install the grab bootloader on hard disk. Just select yes and click continue. So select the default hard disk, second one, and select continue. Okay, after that it will install grab bootloader. Okay, now it's finishing the installation process. Just wait for it to complete. Okay, now the installation process is completed. Just click on continue. Just wait for it to load. Okay, after that it will ask to input username and password. So just give it. Okay, you have successfully installed Parrot OS in your VirtualBox. Okay, this much for today. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. If there are any queries, please leave it in the comment below.